2004 Chevy SS with a 6.0 all the way from where? Chicago. They drove down right before Christmas. It's their Christmas present to themselves. So we appreciate them coming down. And what we did for them, still got factory converter there and there. On the SSs, it comes already true dual, but they wanted to keep the single look. They didn't want duals. So we put them a Y pipe, put them a Carven R right there. As you guys can see, a Y pipe, then Carven R. And then we did factory tailpipe. And then we finished it off with some Natami tips out the side. Angle cut, dual tip right there. Complete the look. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer for them in Chicago. There it is right there. So we're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. So he's missing all the side skirting on it. He's going to get new side skirting. And then when he does that, it's going to look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Go ahead. It's perfect. Yeah, it's clean. Carven always sounds nice. Yeah, it's nice. Thumbs up? Yeah. I like it. And that's the muffler that was on it, guys. Dual in, dual out. As you guys can see right there. One more. Here's sound decibels. Right at 106. Wow, sounds good. Go ahead and back it up. And it needs the ground effects on it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go, guys. Chevy SS 6.0 with Carven R. Another satisfied customer. We'll have a lot of those around here, guys. They see me recording, they start revving. Oh yeah, it sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.